In this video, I will show you how to create a new document library in SharePoint. Start by navigating to your SharePoint site and clicking on the Pages option on the left side of the screen. Select the page where you want to add the document library. Once the page is open, click on the Edit option on the right side of the screen to prepare the page for editing. Scroll down to the section where you want to add the document library and click on the section icon to create a new section. Choose a layout for the section, such as a single column or a two-column layout. Hover your mouse over the section and click on the plus icon to add content. In the search bar, type Document Library and select it from the list of options. Choose the type of document library you want to create. For example, if you want to display all documents and files, select Documents. SharePoint will display all the folders and files stored on the site. Once you've configured the document library, click Republish at the upper right-hand corner of the screen to make the changes live. The document library will now be visible on the page, allowing users to access and manage files directly from the site.